In this video, I'll be showing you how to repair corrupt video file with VLC Media Player. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So the first thing you want to do is if you haven't downloaded VLC Media Player, you just want to search it up on whatever browser you're using, and then you can download it from things like Microsoft Store as well. It's completely free. Now, what you want to do is open up your VLC Media Player, then go to the top left where it says Media, then press Convert and Save. Now you want to add your file that's corrupted, that's not opening properly. So let me just add this one. And then all I want to do is press convert and save, but I want to press convert right here. Now all I want to do is switch it to a video format. So I can literally just press video right here, and then I can choose exactly where I want to save it. I can save it in the same place, but instead of MP4, I'm going to switch to AVI. Go ahead and press save and then press start right here. And as you can see, this is basically it, like converting. And obviously, the longer the video, the longer it's going to take, but then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.